they wanted to see a beautiful masterpiece. And why it is a masterpiece, I'll tell you, because this is a 16th century map. And the cartography done by Ghisolfi, Francisco Ghisolfi. I bought it from an auction. But this is priceless. The French Revolution, which started in 1789, ended in 1799. The influence was so strong that the neighboring countries, they started adopting some of the fundamentals in different way. I talk about the era that is about 1917 to 1923. Yes, you all guessed it right. I'm talking about Russian Revolution. So during this Russian Revolution, there's another beautiful event that happened. So now let us talk about all the countries that came out of USSR. So what are those countries? Let us discuss in this map. Might not be visible, but try to get an idea. So here, let's start from Estonia. As you can see, the huge hump below that, Estonia. Then you have Latvia, Lithuania. Then you will have Ukraine. Ukraine is one of the countries that we know that in past years they had a lot of disturbance with Russia, and there was an attack which happened, from Russian side. This was because Ukraine wanted to sign a treaty of NATO, that is North Atlantic Treaty of Organization, with US. And why that is of a different political idea which is there behind it. But yeah, it was an ultimate threat to Russia, and therefore these all things happened. So in my next video, I'll try to cover it. Ukraine, Moldova, Belarus, Georgia, then Armenia, then Azerbaijan. After Azerbaijan, then you're going to have Uzbekistan, then you have Turkmenistan, Kazakhstan, then Kyrgyzstan, and then Tajikistan. See here, this is Africa. This is the part of Europe that you can see here. And you see here it is the North America, South America. So now the triangle, that slave triangle, that the African labor used to be the most efficient labor. In this video, I want to answer one of the questions once asked by one of my students, and the answer is yes. Africa very soon going to witness the formation of new ocean, because there is a 60-kilometer gap or a crack which is opening up in Ethiopia, and this might give rise to the formation of Somali plate or Somalian plate, and this Somalian plate might drift towards India. And if this happens, this can give rise to the formation of one of the youngest fold mountain that we already have in the name of Himalaya. So it might happen that another youngest fold mountain might come up, because of course drifting towards India means there's going to be a huge collision, and that might give rise to a fold